what's going on YouTube? It's James here. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve financial independence. Guys, the first thing we need to do is define what financial independence really is. What does it mean? It means you are going to be making enough money through passive income to cover all your expenses. That doesn't mean taking like lavish trips. It doesn't mean buying a jet or a yacht. It just means you're making enough passively where you don't have to work at a 9-to-5 job and you can live. You don't have to work for someone else. Before we get into the video, please just drop a like and a subscribe down below if you like making money and creating financial freedom through real estate investing. What do you need to do to hit your financial independence number? First off, you need to smash that like button. What does that mean? What is your financial independence number? That means take all your bills, take your mortgage, your rent, utilities, phone bill, credit card, debt, take like the monthly payments, take everything, put it all into one number, and whatever that number is, that's what you're going to strive for. And guys, I literally mean everything, because if you don't do this right, you might think your numbers are $3,000 per month whenever really it's $4,000 per month. And then when you go to retire, you might be like, crap, I'm $1,000 short. So I'm gonna give myself as an example. I need $4,000 a month to be able to live the same way I'm living right now, where I'm able to invest in real estate, invest in dividend stocks. Literally, this is the number that I need to make, $4,000 per month, so I can retire, and not have to go to a 9-to-5 job. And it might be different depending on where you live. If you're living in Los Angeles, California, you might be spending $15,000 per month on all your expenses. And then whereas, for example, if you're living in Arkansas, certain parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma where I'm originally from, you can be spending about $2,000 a month and live off of that pretty comfortably. Not great, obviously, but comfortably. And the last thing, guys, I need to teach you how to basically break this down into how much money you're going to need to achieve financial independence. So we're just gonna use my personal life as an example for this experiment. And I'm gonna go over this kind of quick because I'm gonna use some simplistic numbers. So as I mentioned already before, I need $4,000 per month to achieve my financial independence. So how many real estate properties am I going to need to retire on $4,000 a month? So currently my rental portfolio is averaging $500 a month in pure cash flow. So this is going to be able to break this number down super easy. I'm going to need literally eight properties before I can reach my financial independence. That is bringing in $4,000 every single month. It'll be at my discretion if I want to stay in the Air Force, in 3 years when my service is up. Now think about this. Say you get your financial independence number, just go live somewhere cheaper. I'm in Colorado right now. If I was meeting my financial independence number at $4,000 per month with passive income through real estate investing, I could take this $4,000 a month, go live in Arkansas, Oklahoma, where I'm originally from, and live way better than I could right now in Colorado. How much money am I going to need to be able to achieve my financial independence number? So as I've already mentioned, I need $4,000 a month. And with that $4,000 a month, that is 8 properties. Now my average down payment on the properties that I've purchased with myself and with my partners is around $20,000. So what does that mean? Why am I telling you this? Because if you take my average $20,000 and multiply that by the amount of properties that I need to achieve my financial independence number. So 8 properties at $20,000 a piece, $160,000. That is what I need. That is the money that I have to accrue over a certain period of time to be able to hit my financial independence number. Hey, real quick, calculate your financial independence number and put that number down in the comments down below. I want to know how much you need to live on every single month to be financially independent. Now I'm going to take this into dividend stocks. I'm only going to be using one company so we can be able to get our financial independence number. Obviously, there's companies out there that pay higher dividends than some others. Some others are at different price points, per shares, etc., whatever. But for this scenario, we are going to only use one company. And don't be bashing me in the comments saying this company's better, this one has a better dividend yield. I'm just using one company to be able to use for this example. And the company we're going to be using is Coca-Cola with a dividend of 41 cents per quarter. And now you're gonna get paid this dividend 4 times because it's per quarter. So as of May 15th, 2020, Coca-Cola is trading out $44 and it pays out an annual dividend of $1.64. So with that being said, we got to do a little bit of math here. So remember that $4,000 per month that I need to become financially independent? So we're going to go ahead and times that by 12. So $48,000 every single year is what I need in passive income from these dividend stocks from Coca-Cola. So for that one share, they're paying you $1.64 per year. Remember, we need to get to $4,000 a month, which is $48,000 per year. So again, we're gonna do some simple math right here. So Coca-Cola trading out $44 per share. Now you need 30,000 shares. How much is that? How much do you need to get to this financial independence number? The number you need is $1,320,000. That's it, guys. That's why I love real estate rather than the stock market. Yes, I like the stock market, but not as much as real estate. The power of leverage is so powerful. You can take $160,000 and make $4,000 per month. Or you could do the latter and do $1,320,000 and achieve the same outcome at $4,000 a month. That's going a little bit off topic, so I digress. So I just taught you how to get your financial independence number and how you can achieve that on a very practical level. Now there's gonna be a video popping up over here or over here and talking about how you can find that right deal in real estate so you can get that $500 a month in cash flow like I do on average. But until next video, guys, I'm out. See ya.